Preventative maintenance jetting simply means to perform regularly scheduled maintenance to prevent clogs from happening in the future, especially in restaurants where food and excess grease is prominent. So how does PM jetting work? Well, let's take a look. This allows us to see that just within a 6 months' time, this is how much buildup arrives on the sides of the pipe. This is a catching point for paper and other material to get hung up on the sides of the pipe and cause a blockage.
Now we are going to run the jet out at 120 feet, 4,000 psi, it's 18 gallons a minute. And we have the spinner attachment on there, so what we're going to do is we're going to completely descale the sides of the pipe of all of that paper, grease, sludge, all that kind of stuff. So, just kind of rejuvenate that pipe and get it all smooth.
Here's what the pipe looks like after the jet is finished. Before, remember you could see all of that sludge in the pipe, and now that we're done, you can see all of that has been cleaned out, leaving it completely smooth again. Without PM jetting, pipes would be completely closed up from things like grease, sludge, and other debris.